guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thanks for coming to see this diamond painting demonstration today. Well, actually, I am almost done with this guitar that I received from Fansells, and it is just coming out beautiful. I'm almost done, and I thought I would come on and show you what I'm finishing up here and show you what it looks like when it's diamond painted. I have an unboxing video that I will link in the description box if you're interested in seeing what it looked like before. And I got this, and I actually got this diamond painting tray, this cute little tray that's has a bow on it, and this is special because it's magnetic. It has a magnetic cover, so you can cover your drills when you're not using them, and while you're diamond painting you can actually take the cover and put it on the bottom, and that's going to stay nice and secure there until you're ready to cover it up again. And it also has a magnetic stopper here, so that is great because these often get lost, and this was a very reasonable price. It comes in yellow that I have, pink, blue, green, and I think purple. But I will link this in the description box also, and you can see all the other colors that they have. It was around $6, which is very nice for one of these resin trays. I've seen them go for a lot of money. So these are our drills, and these came in bags. I cut the bags up and put them into my own little Ziploc bags here, which they give you those in your little toolkit here. You'll get your pen tray and your wax that you need to do it. And like I said, I cut these up and I put them in baggies and numbered them that correspond with the numbers that are on the guitar here. And I just have a few more of, I think, 7s and 11s to finish up here. I think the 7s are green and the 11s are purple. So I'm going to sit down and we're going to finish this up and chat a little bit. Fansells has many diamond paintings and diamond painting objects that you can get, and this guitar is one of their newer ones. Let me bring you up so see the whole thing. Oh, where'd we go? Yikes. There we are. Sorry about that. Yeah, there it is. And let's see, it is about 18.5 inches long. So this is going to be beautiful. Alright, so let's get busy here. I'll take out the 11, which is, oh, it's the last one here. And maybe bring you back down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm actually gonna take a seat here. And move this. Pour out some drills, and then give that a little shake back and forth, and then that just gets them to line up nicely so that they're facing the right way for us. And I'm just using the regular diamond painting pen that they gave us, one just like it anyway, and I'm using just my own yellow wax, which is just about the same as this red wax here. It's just a different color. So we're almost done with this plastic here also. And I didn't have any trouble getting the drills on that are in between the strings here. Oh, I see an extra one here. I'll grab it with my tweezers. This feels like I'm playing that game, Operation. Oh goodness, I'll get it afterwards. Okay, so here's our number 11s here. So you can put these on here one by one if you want. And often when you're doing one of these types of diamond paintings, things are not in a straight line. You have these curves here, but you can still do some multi-placing if they're sort of in a straight line, like that. And that is the end of the number 11s. And I hope that you could see what I was doing there. I better stand up and check. Alright, we're done with 11. And these are all going to be leftovers that I can use for something else. Here comes our 7s that are green. I might have to get a little closer. I'll bring this a little closer to me. And you can get these multiplacers at Fansells also. And if you want to try multi-placing, I have a lot of these. I'd be glad to send you one. These come in 2s and 3s and 4s. This is a 4, 6s, and all the way up to 12. So let's see if I can just bring this a little bit closer to me so that both of us can see what we're doing. So, and these 7s are pretty much in a straight line, so that is what I am going to do. And this is something that I think I'll definitely want to seal when I'm done. And I thought that it would be cool to ask my friend Lorinda if, well, that didn't work out so good. Ask my friend Lorinda if she would do a resin pour on here, because I think it would really, really come out nice and shiny and beautiful. You can seal it with clear polyurethane. I recommend water-based, not oil-based. You could seal it with Mod Podge. But I have a picture here that I'll show you that I have that has a resin pour on it, and you'll see how beautiful and shiny it is. So I've never done that before, so maybe we'll try it out on another little diamond painting piece and see how it works out first, because I'm not sure if it would have any kind of chemical reaction with the these rhinestones, which are really beautiful, by the way. I have to give Fansells credit. I think I had one blue one that was just a little misshapen, but other than that, they're really nice. And then you want to, after you're done, make sure that you didn't miss any, of course, and then you want to make sure that they're all seated without the white showing around there. Of course, if there is, it is not the end of the world. You can always move it over and get it into place. And then you want to feel and make sure that they're all sitting down nice and flush before you start sealing anything. So look at that. It is done. Wow. I want to thank you for coming to watch at my channel today, and I want to thank Fansells for giving me the opportunity of choosing these products to share with you, and getting to keep them, and it's really so much fun and so relaxing. I've really missed it, and I am going to be doing another one hopefully soon. So let me just give you a better close-up of the diamonds. All right. And that's it. Thank you very much, guys, for coming to watch. Oops, I went the wrong way again. Sorry about that. And there it is, all done. All right, I'll see you next time with something new.